Hi ladies, some of you asked me to do a little demo on my new Semco overlocker machine that I purchased from Spotlight this Tuesday. Just got it home, unboxed it, messed around a lot with the settings for 3 hours in fact when I was at the store. Got them right. The settings are very delicate. Half a turn on the lower looper and the whole thing will chew up the fabric. Big mess, but they are absolutely spot on now. I'll talk more about the settings in a bit. This is the pattern that I'm doing today. I'm doing the B here. Where is it? This one. Okay, and this is my fabric that I have. It's on the stretch. Where's the stretch thing? There it is. Okay. So up on the top of the pattern here you have a stretch graph. My stretch is spot on. Okay, see it there. Okay, so I'm just going to get this fabric and run it up so you can have a look. This is my test piece. Blink and you miss it. There it is. On the front, maximum stretch. On the back, very nice. This is the test piece that came with the machine. It's not on stretch, it's just a piece of cotton. So this one is the smaller stitch length and this one is the wider stitch length. Show you on the side. Okay, wider stitch length, shorter stitch length. Okay. This is the test piece. This is my piece that I just did on stretch.